Hello, boys and girls, and parents, of course. Welcome to a special video that I made just for you. I know you are tired of seeing all these PE and health related videos on my YouTube channel, so I decided to do something a little different. This is on how to make a really delicious protein shake. And I am going to show you right now exactly what you need and how to make it. So I am going to flip the screen and I'm going to turn on the light. So we need a blender, of course. I have this protein bucket that Miss Musher, one of my colleagues, gave to me. So thank you, Miss Musher. If you've seen this video, I appreciate you. Thank you very much. And you have two choices whether you want to put almond milk or water. Now, notice that I did not say regular milk because regular milk has too much sugar, and that pretty much beats the point of making a delicious, healthy protein shake. So there are healthier options such as water, or if you want to give it a tiny bit flavor, I recommend the almond milk that I have right here. You are also going to need one banana. So I already ripped it off, cut it into pieces. Children, please do not cut the banana. Let your parents or let a guardian do that for you. Don't play with knives. And we are going to need a cup. Now, it really depends how much protein shake you are trying to make. If you are trying to make some for yourself, maybe all you need is half a cup full of ice. So what we are going to do is this. We don't want the protein powder to get stuck to the machine. So what we are going to do is we are first going to apply some ice. We are going to apply a little bit of ice. Actually, yes. And then I am going to grab half of these bananas. Now I am assuming that your hands are clean, just like mine. So I am going to add some of the bananas. Now I'm going to add the remaining of the ice. And now what I am going to do is this. I am going to fill up my cup with almond milk. Now I am going to fill it up. So that means that when my product is done, I am going to have more than a cup full of protein shake. So I have a little bit extra if I want some more after. I could definitely refill it a little bit more. But for now, we're going to fill it up all the way up. We are going to put half of it, pour half of it inside. And then we are going, oh, I'm sorry, I did not open my protein pack. I am going to grab one handful. So one handful scoop of protein is about 21 grams of protein. So I'm going to put one scoop, and I'm going to add just a little more just because my body's bigger than any elementary kid. So I need a little more protein for my leg day later on. And then guess what? We are going to add the remainder of the bananas. And finally, we are going to put the rest of the almond milk. Now we close our lid. I'm going to hold the lid just in case. I am going to press the ice crush because we have ice. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so we hold for about 10 seconds. Now when you open the lid, just be careful. And here it is. And notice we still have some more here. I might want to get some more after, but now here I have a protein shake. Delicious. So try it out after a rigorous workout or even before to get some energy. Try it out. It is healthy, easy to make. All right, boys and girls and parents, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I got a little messy. I'm sorry. I will clean it up. It's normal. All right, have a good one. Enjoy. Bye.